Okay, today we're making chicken curry. Once the oil is heated, we're going to add our onions with our spices, which is your cinnamon sticks, your cloves, your ilachi, and your cumin seeds with your curry leaves. Once your onions has been braised for about 5 minutes, you add in your garlic and ginger, stir it well, and let that braise for another 5 minutes. After the onions has browned a bit, you're going to add your Kashmiri masala and your turmeric. Stir the Stir the onions well until spices is all mixed, and then you can add in your chicken. Mix your chicken well to get all the spices mixed with it, and then you add in a little water. Close the lid and let this simmer for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can add our half a teaspoon of dhana jeeru. Mix well and let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to add in the tomatoes. Mix this really well. Close the lid and let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. minutes. After the 15 minutes, we can add in our potatoes. Add in a little bit more water, stir it well. Potatoes need to be, I think, covered with the water a bit. Close your lid, and this you're going to simmer now for at least 30 minutes until your potatoes are tender. Once the potatoes are cooked, they are soft and tender, you can garnish with fresh coriander that's chopped up over your pot, close the lid, and it's ready to be served. This can be served with rice, roti or naan bread.